And I'm here this morning to travel on Greenford Branch. Hopefully see if the battery unit's out and about today. And I've made it through the barriers down onto the platform, and this platform 5 is where the trains to Greenford depart from. And as you can see, the equipment in place for the trial of the battery unit. And between the tracks here on platform 5 we have the charging rails. Unfortunately no battery unit today. I did see it earlier parked up in the sidings, so it is around but doesn't appear to be in use. Instead we've got a 165.
Western Railway service to Greenford will be calling at Drayton Green, Castlebar Park. The next station is Drayton Green. This is a Great Western Railway service to Greenford.
Caught a slight glimpse of the battery unit parked up in the side. So my first station stop is South Greenford. Got just over 10 minutes here before heading back towards West Ealing. Not quite sure why they have the information board part way down the footpath leading to and from the station rather than actually on the platform. Walking round to go up onto platform 2. I'm going to take the next train back to Drayton Green. And hopefully as well the Oyster card reader's working on this side. And I got off the train over on the other side. It's not reading my card at all. So we have two card readers on this side. Tapped out on one and in on the other. Ready for the next train. Again, a feature of stations over the last couple of days. Quite a lot of buddleia in bloom. and from the bridge here. Nearly missed my train.
Castle Bar Park.
Can't believe I nearly missed my train there. Too busy on the phone. There are signs
The
here
next station is Castle
that
Bar
there used to be
Park.
more tracks.
This
Just looking
is
at
a
the
Great
bridge.
Western Railway service to Greenford.
And arriving into Greenford Bay platform, southern end of the station.
Central Line, platform 1, train.
Station here at Greenford shared with the Central Line. The lines running either side of the bay. Castle Bar Park, my final station on this line. Right in the middle of a housing estate, looking that side of the station. Getting buddleier everywhere. And here at Castle Bar Park, seems to be that we have a freight train coming very slowly down the line. Here it comes for my last trip on this Class 165 for today, as I'm heading back to West Ealing. And we're back here, having finished this journey. Hope you've enjoyed that trip on the Greenford branch. I'm going to return the next time the battery unit is out on the line. Thank you for watching.